We're gonna go for a walk. um, they're having an event over there at the picnic shelter, so
Looks
we're
like
not gonna
somebody
go.
lost a kite up the tree.
Yeah, I saw that last time. I have to hold on to him now because I'm having trouble with balance and stuff. There's some nice trees here. Well, Brian said that he walked real fast. What, 2 times around
Yep.
the path, like all the way around it?
Yep, all the way around.
This part too, and then all the way around, all the way there. She did it 2 times real fast. But he has really flat feet, and so it's really hard on his ankles and stuff. Basketball court. We went for a drive yesterday just to get out of the house. A couple of days ago it was warm, right?
Today is warm.
It was really warm, and now it's cold. And we busted out our winter coats.
Yeah, today's April 19th. So another week and a half or so from now we'll be into May.
Mm-hmm. Really warm temperatures back to cold temperatures. Cold temperatures and wind. I can tell that over the last year I have aged a whole bunch. I'm chewing gum. We went for a drive, and it was real nice drive, because we don't really have very much money to be blowing on things. Brian gets paid really good, but when you look at the money that's set aside before he actually gets his check, he doesn't really get that much. So
Yeah, I think it took $500 out of me.
they took $500 out of him.
Yep.
For
Taxes.
taxes.
Deductions.
And one deduction I think he has set aside for retirement.
Yeah, 401k, health insurance, and taxes.
Taxes. You can't get rid of them.
Yeah, before taxes I made over $1,800. After taxes it's down to $1,300. Something.
Pretty bad.
Yep.
We're still trying to buy the house that we're living in. The guy came by the house the other day. I thought he was the one who was going to be checking where the property lines are, but he just came in to see the inside of the house, and I wasn't expecting anybody to come inside the house. But anyway, he came inside and he saw like how many bedrooms there are, and you know, the kitchen and the 2 bathrooms and stuff like that.
And apparently he said something to Tricia about the carpet being taken out of the hallway in the spare bedroom, because she called me back to verify it or whatever.
Yeah.
And asked me to give her a dateline when we're going to get it fixed. I don't know what that...
Well, I guess I'm going to have to, I took the carpet out because of pestilence. I don't know if you do about that. We're going through that. The cats and I were suffering, but Brian wasn't. And we're going through it again. I think there are birds, I don't know if the birds are still up there, but I think they're in a crawl space on the ceiling of, you know, you go up through there, the crawl space. There was birds living up there because when we had the roofing replaced, the one guy goes, there's birds living in a crawl space. And so I've been getting bit on the head still sometimes. And the cats. And so I clean and clean and clean. And I've been spraying stuff called, it's from Cedar Side. It's peppermint oil. So I spray around the baseboards. And one day I just sprayed it on the floors and swept the floors because I don't know. We went up a hill.
So we're going down and around and straight ahead.
No, let's go straight ahead. My right ankle, like joint my foot, has been hurting. I'm thinking maybe it's like that because I usually drive a truck and he drives a car, and when they go places, like the truck is up high, so I have to put my right foot in and pull myself up by the steering wheel. And it might be doing something to my foot. I know that I changed my name from Grandma App, but you know, I'm not going to change it back, but I'm old enough to be a grandma, but I'm not.
Your step-grandma.
Step-grandma to who?
Well, Christopher's stepson.
Well, he doesn't really, I don't even know what's going on about that. He lives in Texas, and he says he has a house apartment, and the woman he's been with for a long time, she has an apartment. I don't know how that works out. I don't know. I'm ready to go get back in the truck. Yeah, I'm ready to go back. Get back in. Oh. Somebody's just blowing that whistle like crazy over there. Yeah. This weather is so crazy. Oh, it's crazy. I guess I'll end it here. Bye.